The Food Bank of Iowa distributes 1 million pounds of food every month to Iowans in need. More than half of the food we distribute, more than half of 1 million pounds every month, is donated to us. And donated food doesn't go anywhere without the help of a volunteer. What we do here at the Food Bank of Iowa could not be done without a committed, passionate team of volunteers.
I just can't say enough about how wonderful a job you're doing as the leader and how well you lead the volunteers and what a great mission and a difference you're making across Iowa. And so it's our pleasure to present you with a check.
The Food Bank of Iowa serves 55 counties across the midsection of the state. And within those 55 counties, we serve about 175,000 Iowans that are food insecure across about 30,000 square miles, relying on 500 smaller frontline partner agencies to help us do that work. Today we're distributing 1 million pounds of food a month. And now, with the remodeling in the warehouse and our new Wellmark Foundation Volunteer Center, we're able to meet that goal of 2 million pounds of food a month within the next 3 years. The most exciting thing that I see coming out of the investment by the Wellmark Foundation into the new Wellmark Foundation Volunteer Center is our ability to invite families into this space. It is now safe and clean and well lit. It's hard for me to think about how we could have done this without the Wellmark Foundation.
The Food Bank of Iowa wants to fill that hunger gap where 1 in 8 Iowans are food insecure and 1 in 6 children are food insecure. And the Wellmark Foundation's mission is to help improve the overall health and well-being of Iowans and South Dakotans. So this is a great mix of the two missions because at the Wellmark Foundation we know that having food is a basic need. So when the Food Bank of Iowa came to us and said, we have this opportunity, we're doing a renovation, we have this volunteer center that we want to do a lot of work on, we thought that that was a great opportunity for us to partner up with the Food Bank of Iowa because of our aligned missions. I think the Wellmark Foundation Volunteer Center at the Food Bank of Iowa will have a significant impact on the community because now you have a safe environment where people can come in and do good things for people who need a lot of help.